Hey, what's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the on error method. So you have been to the situation like uh, the you are loading an image from CD and on the server, and out of nowhere the image is not found. So how we gonna work with that kind of thing? So we have on error event. That means there's no return on that time. This is what we're gonna need to do. So first we are here, and we'll remove all codes we do not need anymore. So do that, and then you see that there is an image, right? And now we're gonna use the img src tag, and we gave on purpose an image which will be not found anywhere. So image.gif, yeah, gif, I say gif, and then use the error on error. Yeah, it will call my function. I already talked about it. I'm not gonna teach you JavaScript in this code tutorial. If you want to, just go on my playlist, you will understand. And here, the moment we do that, oh yeah, you can see the image is couldn't be load. Whenever the image couldn't be load, it gonna trigger the function, like, because it doesn't exist, it not gonna load is anyway. So yeah, so hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.